Hi everybody, today I am unboxing this Haakaa silicone breast pump. It's supposed that it's made of food grade silicone. It doesn't have any BPA, PVC and phthalate, which is another bad product. So the back, it shows you how to put it on, and it is very simple. So I just want to open this up. So you have the instructions, by the way, if you don't know how to use it. And this is it. So it is very small. I bought the one that is 4 ounces, which is the smallest, and it's pretty much the size of my hand. I bought it because of course it's easy just to transport it or place it on my back or whatever, so it doesn't take too much space. Now what I want to try is put it on fire, just this little piece, to truly see if this is real silicone. I did this for my Diva cup, and pretty much when it's real silicone, it kind of the fire just goes away, which is happening with this. Oh, that is nice. So as you see, it didn't catch fire as other type of plastics or like fake silicones, which that makes me happy because now I can say that it's a real thing. It is very easy to use. The only thing that you need to do is imagine that this part is your breast, and you just need to put a little bit of pressure there to create suction. Leave it, and there you go. It will stay in place. And then when this is full of milk, you just press a little bit to release the suction, and that's it. I want to show you how the lower part helps you to keep it stable in one place. And it has suction, so if you place it on your fridge, it will not move, which is nice. And if you need to remove it, just press a little bit, and that's it. Remember that you have to wash it before using it for the first time, and of course clean it after each use. There are 3 different ways to do it. One could be just with a warm soapy water and rinse it thoroughly. The other one, you can use steam or boil it in water for at least 3 minutes. Later on, I will be making a review to show you how long it lasts, how easy you can clean it up, and all those things that you need to know. But right now, this is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you soon. Bye!